Perlite minerals include perlite, obsidian, and turpentine. Perlite ball press is not formed. First, the ingredients are not scientific, is to pour perlite in the mixer, mixed evenly, through the conveyor belt for grinding. The operation process of this batching process is greatly affected by human factors, and its quality depends on the responsibility and experience level of the operator, which fluctuates greatly. 2 is because the perlite ball press gap is large, with powder ability staff in order to improve the perlite ball press working hours and perlite ball production, often regardless of the quality of the ball, and adjust the perlite ball press wheel clearance so that the perlite ball becomes larger, resulting in the intensity of perlite ball. In addition, it is possible to waste perlite powder